What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Christian's Kitchen. Today I have a very fun and exciting recipe for you. I'm going to be showing you how to make my pesto chicken bake with some zucchini noodles. They're going to be tossed in some lemon and garlic, and it's a super easy meal, packed full of flavor. Let's get to it. First, we start by making the homemade pesto sauce. And don't even think about going and buying a store-bought sauce. Grab a food processor and throw in your basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. And while it's grinding, combine the olive oil and pour in slowly. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and you should end up with something like this. Next up, the zoodles. This one's pretty self-explanatory, so enjoy the visual. Moving on. Cut the chicken breast in half, then pound them out with the flat side of a mallet. We do this to tenderize and make sure the chicken will cook at an even rate. Next, we are going to generously season both sides of the chicken with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Bam! Now we are going to slice up and season our Roma tomatoes. Make sure to do that on both sides as well. Let's get our skillet hot and ready, and throw that chicken down. Cook for about 4 minutes each side until golden brown. Next, we're going to grab some fresh basil leaves and roll them up nice and tight, kind of like a dupe. Then we're just going to simply run the back of our knife through the basil and chiffonade. Man, that chicken is good to go. Take that off the heat and generously spread out our homemade pesto sauce, creating a base so those tomatoes don't slide off. Add on the tomatoes. Then cut and spread the burrata cheese over top. And be generous with that cheese now. Throw that in the oven to broil until the cheese is brown and bubbly. While the chicken is broiling, we're going to saute our zoodles in a pan for about 2 to 3 minutes with some garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Finish with a fresh squeeze of lemon and you're good to go. Place your zoodles on the plate first, then hit them with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Place that pesto chicken bake over top, hit it with some fresh basil, and that's it, guys. I told you this one was easy. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And we'll see you next time on Christian's Kitchen.